let me show the coolest tripod and selfie stick that you can get. Also, if you are looking to get this tripod, in the description I'll include a special link that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress, and for it I only paid around $15, and that also was with free shipping. If you also want to get one, simply make sure to check out those links. That will lead you directly to the official store, so Ulanzi store, where you can again get it for absolutely insane price. So literally around 15 euros or dollars for this tripod over here, which again is probably the best performance tripod out there. Okay, and let's check out everything we get inside the box. So it actually arrives in very good packaging here. We're also getting a proper remote control as well, so you can remotely take a picture or start a video. So this is the newest 44B model, so essentially the upgraded version of the super popular MT-44, which again was already probably one of the best selling tripods in the world that you can get. Also, what's cool about this tripod, we also have integrated phone holder here as well, so you see it also locks into the place. So you can easily pop in your phone here. You have the button here to fold it. And also we can mount any camera here as well, or even you can attach your own basically holder here on it. Also we have a very nice ball head here that can be fully adjustable. Okay. And when you check the quality of the tripod, this actually appears absolutely superb. So for example, this fastening knob here is proper chunky, so you can easily grab it and fasten it as you need. And this is a release mechanism on it. So if you simply push it a bit more, basically it jumps out and sets itself up. Also inside the box we are getting a quick manual here, so you can see for yourself what, for example, we have here. So it just shows the basic features of it. You can pause the video where you need to. Also, what I really like about this tripod is the weight and portability of it. So first, if we check the weight of it, so you see only around 400 grams. Considering this is a 1.5 meter tripod, I mean that's absolutely ridiculous. So literally only 400 grams, and yeah, size is absolutely insanely good on it. So when it comes to the folded length, also let's check if we, for example, adjust it like this. So if we check the height when it's folded, so as you see, like right around 30 centimeters only. So if you have a fairly large pocket in your jacket, you can easily stuff this in a, again, in a large pocket. So yeah, the weight, portability, and just how easy it is to set up is really totally unmatched. Also, if you're wondering how does the mechanism actually works on this tripod, so it simply gets activated either if you simply push it a bit stronger or simply drop it on floor like this. So you see, if you simply push it a bit more, it simply like jumps out on you. And then this ring here can be used to properly fasten it, so it simply can't go back anymore. So, and if you want to fold it back again, so you release the ring a bit, drop it inside, and then you kind of squeeze these together. So again, if for example you drop it as well, so you see, yeah, basically it itself basically sets up, and all you do is you simply fasten this to basically make it, I guess, a bit stronger also. And this is what the build quality of it looks up close. So you see, you can have springs here on all these legs. Also, yeah, I absolutely love that these have like 4 legs instead of 3, as usually tripods have. So it's simply more stable on the ground as well. So if you check the build quality, so you see this actually appears very, very high-end. So if you're wondering about the material, so the legs are some kind like very high density plastic, and yeah, they actually appear very, very good quality, while the tripod itself is full aluminium alloy of some kind. So you see. And if you want to mount a phone or a camera on it, it's also very easy and fast. So first, for a phone, you simply snap this in place, so you see it gets locked into the place. Then you see you can simply pull this out. So this will fit pretty much any phone, so you see it's actually quite large here. So for example, let's take this phone here, so I'll simply drop in like this. It's kind of hard to show while filming, but yeah, so you see you get at the point. Okay, and you see it's actually very stable, so it won't go anywhere. And if you want to take it out, so again simply lift this up and you can take out your phone. To fold it up again, simply press in this button here, fold it down. And next, if you, for example, want to mount a camera on it, I see also you have this turn wheel here that you can essentially turn. So basically to quickly mount your camera. So you see, I'll put it like this. Then simply fasten it. Okay. So just fasten it just as you need. And you see also you can very easily mount a camera on it. And yeah, once mounted, actually is very secure. So to release the camera, so simply unscrew it, and you see camera is removed also. Also, this phone holder can also be even folded like this as well. So you see, if you hold it, you can also arrange it like this. So you see, for example, if you use it like this, you can actually mount both a camera or maybe another phone and another phone right over here. So perhaps if you want to use this phone as your monitor for your camera, you can do that. So simply connect them together. So you see just how advanced this tripod actually is. And again, when it comes to stability, so you see it's properly locked into place. It's not fiddly. And as you can see, it definitely looks very high quality here. So yeah, when it comes to features, this is absolutely insane. And this is what it looks like when it's fully set up. Also, when it comes to stability, this also appears very decent as well. And when it comes to height, this tripod also is absolutely excellent. So up to around here, it's 1.50 m. In total length, maybe up to this highest point, maybe like 1.60 m. So personally, I'm 1.90 m myself. That's maybe like 6'1", something like that. And so I don't really have problems filming this tripod myself or anything that I need. So the height also is absolutely excellent. And when it comes to stability, so you see, these 4 legs definitely are huge improvement over the past version where we only had like 3 legs. So stability on the ground also is absolutely excellent on this tripod. Also, I really like how easy and fast it is to adjust the angle of the head as well. So for example, if you need to adjust the angle of your phone, so you simply release it and you see you can move it around just as you really need. So if, for example, you need to do this, so simply position it here. So you see, you can even do something like this as well. So do some kind of overhead shots as well with this tripod. So, and once you're satisfied with the angle, simply fasten and you see it's very secure then. Also on this tripod, if you actually do not perhaps want this like phone holder, you can also unscrew it here as well completely if you want. So you see it simply comes off. Then again, you get a normal thread here, so you can use it without it as well. So it even will be more portable and you can mount your camera perhaps directly or whatever you need. And we can also very easily use this tripod in the selfie stick mode as well. So as you see, when it comes to the lens, this is absolutely awesome. So if you want to basically capture something in very wide angle view, So see, this is absolutely insane. Also, what's cool about this is again the weight of it. So when you actually hold like this, obviously with those more heavy tripods and sticks, basically your hand simply will tire. But again, so due to the lower weight of the tripod, you can, I guess, simply hold for way longer time than the other ones. So see, if you also shake it, there's not that much flex in it. So your footage will be fairly stable as well. Also on this tripod we are getting this remote control here as well. So if you want to pair it, simply click this button first to turn it on, and then you simply go in your phone's Bluetooth settings, pair new device in the available devices. Okay, so it should appear here. So maybe let's click and hold a bit. So you see it appears here, we click on it. Yep, allow the pairing request. So you see it's paired, and then for example if he opens the camera, so if he clicks this button here, so you see a picture gets taken on my phone, or also if you start in your video mode, if you press the button, you can also for example start the video or also stop the video. So when you mount your phone here, so you can remotely basically take a picture or start video if you have extended somewhere, or also if you use it in the tripod mode, so simply remove this remote control here, you can go somewhere if you want to take a picture yourself. So again, you press the button, so for example you can start the video, stop the video, or take a picture as well. So yeah, overall in my opinion, this Ulanzi MT-44B newest edition is absolutely amazing. Not only its build quality is top notch, also it's very lightweight, so very easy to use, and best of all, the features are totally next level. So easily the most advanced this type of tripod that you can get in the market. Really no other tripod even comes close to it, and all for incredibly good price. So yeah, if you also are looking to get one, simply make sure to check out those special links I'll include in the description if you follow them at the time of filming. So again, literally only right around 15 euros or dollars. Also, I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons as well from AliExpress, so that you can even maybe combine with this price and maybe get it even cheaper. So simply check out those links. Again, for this price, really totally unbeatable. And again, this is also with free shipping directly from the official store. For this price, really, and everything we get, this really can't be beaten. Okay, good luck.